We were so grateful to receive a large donation from Global Empowerment Mission. Together, Montefiore and Jem, and this amazing woman named Cameron Curtis, was able to get 9 to 10 pallets, which was about 300 to 350 boxes of diapers, wipes, formula, and other essential supplies for our Bronx families and their young babies and toddlers. And we are very, very grateful. The medical students had organized a volunteer effort.
These infant survival kits will help ease the burden on the families that are going through so much already.
Thank you, Jem. Thank you, Be Strong Initiative. And thank you, Einstein medical students. And a big shout out to FDNY, both in the Bronx and Yonkers.